Hello guys, hope you are fine. I am Abdul Azim and today we are going to discuss Cadence algorithm to find maximum sum subarray. So before jumping into the problem, we will discuss this term subarray. What is the subarray? Any contiguous part of an array is called subarray of that array. Means this minus 2 is a subarray of this array. Minus 2 minus 3 is a subarray of this array. Minus 3, 4 minus 1 is a subarray of this array. 5 itself is a subarray of this array. So we can also solve this problem to find maximum subarray by brute force algorithm. So let's first see brute force solution for this problem. So for to solve this problem by brute force algorithm, we will have to keep track of each possible subarray for each element. So for this first element minus 2, subarrays will be one is minus 2, another one minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 4, minus 2 minus 3 4 minus 1, and so on. And for minus 3 as well, minus 3 minus 3 4 minus 3 4 minus 1, and so on for each element. So but the time complexity for this solution will be O n square. This is very costly. So we will try to solve this problem in linear complexity, and we will do it by using cadence algorithm. So what is this cadence algorithm? Okay, let's see. In cadence algorithm, we will traverse the array and keep track of each element. For each element, we will be counting on two terms. One is current sum of the subarray and another is maximum sum. So for this subarray, for this element, very first element of the array, our current subarray will be minus 2. Okay, and current sum, that is sum of the current subarray, will be minus 2. Maximum sum till now will also be minus 2. Now jump to the next element, that is minus 3. Now our two new possible subarrays will be, this is our current subarray now. So our two new possible subarrays with this element will be minus 2 minus 3, means current subarray plus the new element, and another one will be new element itself, that is minus 3. Between these two, this one is having greater sum, so we will be preferring this one. So now our current subarray will be this, and current sum will be minus 3, and maximum sum will remain same. Now jump to the next element, that is 4. With this subarray as current subarray, and with this element, our two new possible arrays will be current subarray plus the new element, that is minus 3, and the new element, current subarray plus the new element, and the new element itself. And between these two, we will be preferring this one, because this one is having greater sum. This one is having sum as 4, and this one is having 4 minus 3 1. So we will be preferring this one, and this one now is our current subarray, and our current sum will be, we will update it to 4, and maximum sum will also be updated to 4. Okay, got it. Now jump to the next element of the array, that is minus 1. So for this array's current subarray, now our two new possible subarrays will be, one is current subarray, that is this one, plus the new element, means minus 1, and another one will be new element itself. And between these two, we will be preferring this one. This one is having greater sum, then this one is now our current subarray, and our current sum will be 4 minus 1 3, current sum plus the new element 4 minus 1 3, and our maximum sum will remain same. Okay, now jump to the next element. This is our current subarray, and with this new element, two new possible subarrays will be current subarray, that is 4 minus 1, plus the new element, means minus 2, and the new element itself, that is minus 2. And between these two, this first one is having greater sum. So this is our current subarray now, and our current sum will be current sum plus the new element 3 minus 2 1. Current sum will be 1 and maximum sum will remain same. Now this one as current subarray, and with the next element, that is 1, we will be having two new possible subarrays, that is current subarray, that is 4 minus 1 minus 2, and the new element, that is 1, and the new element itself. And of course between these two, this one is having greater sum, so this one is our current subarray now, and current sum will be updated to current sum plus the new element, that is 1 plus 1 will be 2, that is 2. Okay, now jump to the next element, this one, that is 5. Our two new possible subarrays with this one as a current subarray will be current subarray, that is 4 minus 1 minus 2 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 minus 2 1. This is current subarray plus the new element, that is 5, and the new element itself, that is 5, that is 5. So between these two, this one is having greater sum, so this one is our current subarray now, and current sum will be updated to current sum plus the new element, that is 7. 2 plus 5 7, and 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 7. You can calculate as you want. So this is 7 now, and our maximum sum will be updated to 7 also. Okay, now this one is our current subarray, and jump to the next element. Now our two new possible subarrays will be, one is current subarray, that is 4 minus 1 minus 2 1 5, and the minus 3, that is current sum plus the new current subarray plus the new element and the new element itself. Now this one is having greater sum, so our current subarray will be this, and current sum will be current sum plus the new element, current sum plus the new element, that is 7 minus 3 equals to 4, and our maximum sum will remain same. So our final result or the maximum sum will be 7. Now jump to the code. Now this is our array, minus 2 minus 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 1 5 minus 3 as its element. Now find the length of this array. We can find total number of elements by size of function. Size of array divided by size of an element. So this will give us the total number of elements in the array. Okay, now define two terms, two variables, that is one will be current sum, initialize it with first element of the 0, and another one will be maximum sum. Lots of mistakes. Okay, with array 0, that is first element of the 0. Now I treat over the array that is int I equals to 1, I less than total number of elements, and I plus plus. Let's start. Update current sum will be updated to max of current sum plus the new element and the new element, max of these two terms, current subarray plus the new element or the new element. But we don't have this max function, so define this max function here. Int max, passing arguments, define its arguments, int a, int b, and return the maximum value by using ternary operator. If a greater than b, then return a, else return b. Okay, semicolon. And if our current sum will be greater than the maximum sum, then we will update our maximum sum just like that. Okay, now we are done with the loop. Now let's print this maximum value. Cout max sum and L. Okay, now save it and run it. Let's check what we got. Yes, we got the right answer, 7, that we got here, this 7. So if you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.